How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing a point of view drive in my Astra Vxr. Now quickly before we run into this video, I'm going to run through the list of mods that have been done to this car. And also, you see the issues that were in my last point of view drive. They've all now been pretty much fixed by myself, so I'm glad I've done it all. But yeah, let's quickly run into the modifications that have been done to this car, which is not many, but let's jump into it. Now first things first, to do with this car, we have an induction kit. Now let me do a little rev so you can hear what it sounds like. We've also got my stereo in there, we've got a boost gauge set up, and hear what the car sounds like. It sounds a lot different from my last point of view drive because I fixed the issue that was wrong with it. We also have DNA rear lights, we've got LED number plate bulbs, and we've actually got a Piper Cross exhaust. I'm pretty sure it's Piper. Yeah, it's Piper exhaust, so I will do a little sound test and we can hear what it all sounds like. So that is pretty much everything to do with the car. Oh, there's one more thing. It's also been remapped. I think it's making about 260 to 270 brake. So it actually did get pops on it. So they went once the recirculation valve was a bit awful. I've now got that sorted. So it now pops quite a bit. But we close the bonnet. Let's go for a drive. It just sounds so much different. You got the pops as well. It just sounds good. It does sound good. Now I fixed all the issues, like there is hardly anything wrong with it. The window now works. As we can see, my last point of view drive, the window never worked. I've got that sorted and I've done a recirculation valve, I've done the brake calipers, the handbrake now works. I've fixed pretty much everything wrong with this car and I'm glad I've pretty much done it all myself. Besides that window, I actually had a family friend that done that for me, which is brilliant because it now works. Let's just put the window up quickly, now we can. There we go. My choice of roads is I'm going left because the lights are green. I was going to go straight on, but do I want to wait for the lights? Not really, so we're going left. It's the way we're going today. It's clear. This is oh, it's now a 30 road. This used to be 40. If you know Reading, you'll know that exact spot everyone goes to clean their cars there. That's a really good spot for cleaning your cars over in the Shinfield area, I'm pretty sure. Right, lights are green. Let's go. Sounds great. Yep, we're now going into a 40. There you go, we got the pops. It sounds good, like it really does. Is that a house? You are lucky, that is so nice. Must be a hotel or something. It's popping so slightly, it pops a lot in 4th gear. Let's do the window up now because I think there's going to be a lot of wind noise. We got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4, so the tyres are gripping even in the wet or the damp. What the heck? Is that someone's house? Seriously? What do these lot do as a job round here, man? Although the 40s are right, I want to kind of hit a 60 road so we can go a little bit faster than what we're currently doing. Because it gets quite boring even at 40. I'll be honest, I don't know where this leads to. It's a single track road pretty much. This should not be a 60 road. Why is there 2 cats? Right, come on, out the road. There we go. Where they appear from? And where am I going? Oh my god, there's a pothole there. Dodge the potholes, everyone. This is what UK roads are full of. Literally have zero idea where oh my god, that pothole would literally ruin my entire car. Country roads are fun, yeah, but when you don't know where you are, where there's potholes everywhere, you kind of just want to hit a main road again. I've no idea. No idea. I'm going through a flood now. Done a quick pullover. I've looked where I am on Google Maps. It has confirmed I'm in the middle of nowhere. Like, I can't even turn around because I don't want to get... Actually, there's perfect. I kind of want to see where this road leads to though, because it's just like nothingness anywhere. Starting to get dark. I've just put my GoPro on charge. That is a beautiful house. They are some lucky people. Pothole there. Right, we'll put the windows up now. Oh, pothole, pothole. Right, we dodged it. That Nissan Juke. The guy was an absolute star for pulling over for me. While we're here, I'm going to quickly take some pictures of the VXR because I need some pictures for Instagram. So turn the high beams off. Let's get my phone out quick. If you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to drop a follow because I try and post as much as possible. This is quite a nice location for pictures. Yeah, that's a good picture. Let's get one from the front just before another car comes. Hopefully it doesn't. Be able to get like a side picture. This looks cool. I need some night eye bulbs that are white because I don't like the yellowness on the front. Doesn't look that great. Yeah, that's beautiful. I haven't been out to take some pictures in quite a while, so this is my Instagram content right here. And I'll tell you what, I miss doing stuff like this all the time. Just going out, taking pictures at locations. It's a dead end, straight down, so we either have to pick, do we go right or do we go left? This is beautiful, look outside. I would love to live in the countryside. Oh, the dream. Oh, we hit a pot. Oh, I didn't see that. That's my alloy done in for the day. Yeah, it's pretty quick. It's quick. We're hitting a 50 now. Put cruise control on. Actually, we'll whack it in fifth. Cruise control on. Potholes everywhere. The pops are brilliant on this car. It's what the S3 needs, some really loud pops and bangs on it. I know everyone hates pops and bangs, but I like it. I film it for YouTube videos. And do I want it on my car? I do. I like it. And I've never really had a car that pops like this. I think this is why I like the VXR over the S3 so much, because it pops like that, and it's a lot louder than the S3, where the S3 is a bit quiet, has no pops whatsoever, and it just doesn't sound like with the pops. It just don't sound like that. So maybe if I got it remapped with the pops and bangs, I might enjoy the S3 a lot more. I think this is the right way. These gearboxes are supposed to be like chocolate. They're not supposed to be very good, but I tell you what, this gearbox is very, very smooth. So I'm glad it's got a gearbox rebuild, because I couldn't imagine having an awful gearbox. This is just like smooth, like it's just nice. It's put into every gear, it's silky smooth. Finally, we're on a 70 road, heading back into Reading. This is third gear. Yeah, it's quick. This car is quick. Not as quick as the S3, but it's quick. So we get up to the speed limit, and what we do, we go 70 mile an hour, cruise control on, there we are. Am I glad to have a working VXR now? Yeah, honestly, once they go, it becomes a fun car. And I'm glad people told me to put some money into it, because I was just going to sell it with all the issues. I wanted to get rid of it there and then. I thought, no, we're not going to do that. I'm actually going to put money. I started buying, literally I bought a couple bits and I thought, let's buy the next thing, let's buy the next thing. And yeah, and now we have it. The car is now working, works completely fine. I'm so glad it does. I really am. Put money into it and it's paid off. It has paid off, and I've saved myself a lot of money by doing pretty much everything myself. Like, I've saved so much. Tesla. We actually aren't catching up with that Tesla. They are far too quick for what they're supposed to be. Right then, so I've just pulled over to end this video. My GoPro has died. I'm not sure exactly where it died, but I tell you what, I probably hit about 10 sets of traffic lights in a row. You can see where the GoPro has been. I think I'm gonna get a bruise there because my forehead is absolutely killing me. That has been it from the Mark V Astra Vxr. This has been the point of view drive. Honestly, I don't drive my cars a lot, but when I do drive them, this car, the S3, honestly, I miss them so much. But yeah, that was it from me, from the VXR. If there's any other videos you want me to film on this VXR, if someone doesn't offer me, I will keep it. If someone offers me money, I don't see why I wouldn't sell it, because who knows. But yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe, and I will catch you all in my next video. Peace out.